This is James, also known as JV Hack. Welcome to my channel. I'm a growth and dividend investor. This video today is all about Palantir. So Palantir has been in the news recently because of its crazy rally since September. Its IPO was end of September and it went all the way up to around 34, 35, which was like basically like 1,000% since its IPO. It's a lot of money which got made for anyone who bought around here. Obviously, it probably wasn't 1,000%. I don't actually know what gain it was, but it was a lot of money. I initially bought Palantir around the $9 mark, around here. I then sold every step of the way. I kept buying and selling every step of the way because I just kept seeing I kept thinking I'll be seeing a massive pullback any minute. Obviously we didn't. The stock rallied all the way up to its peak of around $33, $34 until it consolidated down 30% to where it is now, $23.85. This massive drop, by the way, didn't happen on its own. It wasn't like the traders were like, hey, let's just sell the stock and buy back in. It was actually because Morgan Stanley downgraded his stock on this specific day to $17. That's basically here. So Morgan Stanley said the stock is up here around this range between 27 and 33 on that day. But we think it's actually worth 17 down here, which is actually where the moving average line was. So the moving average historically is a great line to always check. It basically tells you what the price on average is based on its 20-day moving price. So that's basically what happened. Morgan Stanley downgraded the stock. They said it should be worth around here on that day. We had a massive sell-off, and we're not too far from the current moving average, which is around $20. Now, full disclosure, I do have a position in Palantir. I've been, like I said, day trading, swing trading the stock since I first discovered it, which was back in early October, and I did make a lot of money on Palantir. I have never sold Palantir for a loss, which I'm happy to declare, and I'm going to hold this stock currently because I have bought at $25. Not a crazy amount. I do have cash on hand to invest as we dip. I do think short term there will be more consolidation back to around 20 to 22. I don't think we'll go back in below 20, but I won't be surprised if we see 19. But I don't think we'll go back way below 20s to around the 15, 16s. I just don't think we'll see that anymore. But yeah, I do think that we will see long-term price movements, price rallying back up to 50. That's where I see the stock going. And that's why I'm holding the stock. If we do consolidate, I will be buying more. But long term, I'm very bullish, as a lot of people are. Even big fund managers like Cathie Wood and other mutual fund managers are buying and holding the stock. They were buying around this level and they're still holding. So if you haven't bought now's a great time to buy. Buy anywhere between 22 or even now to around 20. That's a great time to buy if you're looking to hold long term like myself. I do think we will see $50 per share very soon, and much sooner than what many people think. You know, they're saying years. No, I think we'll see it within 6 to 12 months. And that's because the next few quarters are going to be great for Palantir. They're moving more into the private sector. They're getting more government contracts from some of the government allies it's working with. So even though, yes, they are oversold, I think, you know, trading at 33 times valuation on its 2022 numbers is, yes, crazy for any company. But long term, we will see the moving average line continue to climb up. We will see the price hit the moving day average line and then rally back up. You can see the MACD are starting to converge, but then again we'll see a breakout and divergence back into the 50s. The founder, the people behind the team, you know, they're doing a great job. I really do believe anything Peter Thiel touches does well. So yeah, that's my view on Palantir. Long-term hold, going to 50s. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for your time.